guys, welcome back. If you've been following me for some time, you'll recognize this beautiful face in my chair today, which is my client Amy. She met me several months ago and we took her to a perfect level 10 blonde. However, her next session she wanted to darken up just a wee bit, so I toned her down and made her Bronde. That video is linked down below in my description box, so totally check it out after the conclusion of today's video. She ended up loving Bronde, but the only thing is she wanted to try a little tad darker, so we just did exactly that. We did an all-over color using my favorite Joico Lumishine Demi-Liquid 6NWB, 6N, and a splash of 7NC. After all that, she has decided she wants to lighten up just a little bit, so I told her let's give it a try, doing just a half baby light with 20 volume using my favorite Joico Blonde Life Lightener to see exactly what her hair does before we commit into going in with a tightly packed full highlight. So that's where we are right now. That's what we're doing today. Grab a drink, grab a snack, and let's dive right on in. If this is your first time joining me here on my channel, you are probably wondering what I'm doing right now since we are only doing a half baby light. I do something called the Sinful Headband. It's where I go around the entire hairline. Clients can get this done alone or in between sessions or during a half or full baby light. A lot of my clients love getting half baby lights or regular highlights every few months and only need to get a full every 12 to 18 months. That's right, I said only get a full highlight or baby light every 12 to 18 months, which they absolutely love because it's cost effective and low maintenance. As I said in the last week's video, these small 5x7 Framar Light and Boss pre-cut foils are the new fave for me in the salon. Also, the Jamie C color brushes are where it's at. Her Instagram is at Pretty Little Ombre. You guys probably know already who I'm talking about. And I'm telling you guys, these brushes are amazing. If you have not tried them, you need to. I still love my Goldwell tint brushes for Lightener and Framar for color, but I've definitely been using these a lot, at least once a day behind the chair. Check them on out. I'll link everything down in the description box below.
Distance keeping us way too far apart. Every time I get too close, I fall apart. You have changed for the better. You don't wanna stay sleeping in my head while you made up your side of the bed. I never said it was forever. No, you don't need me no more. So you keep on moving on. You'll be okay, and I'll remain one stay the same. Miles away on a different star, counting all the colors painted on my heart. How do I get better?
Okay guys, so I'm going to be using Joico Lumishine, one of my favorites to use for the root. I'm going to be mixing ANA, and I want that to be most of my formula, 10 grams, and then I'm going to add 5 grams of AN. I'm doing that because there is a little bit of brass, because she was a level 6-7 we took her to with the Joico 7NWB. So we will mix this and I will be back to show you how I apply. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial going over all of my different ways of root toning. I know a lot of stylists say root toning, smudging, tapping is all the same thing, but in my chair it is not. Today I am doing what I like to call a soft root. It's when my clients want to be really blonde all the way to the root, and I use a color lighter than their natural color to just tap them. This is exactly what I'm doing here today. My favorite levels to use are 8s and 9s, just like the 8NA 8N I'm using here today. A base root is what I do for probably around 80% of my clients. It's basically root shadowing them with their natural base. It gives more of a shadow looking root and allows for a longer grow out. I find when I use their natural base color, it covers a lot better. Last but not least is a heavy root. It's when someone wants that balayage ombre sombre root where it goes down a few inches, and I often will even do a paint between the foils using the same formula, and then when I root tone them, when I do it, it makes the root really prominent, at least 3 or 4 inches. It could be 2, 3, 4, whatever the clients want, but that's what I do for all 3 of my different ways of toning the root. A video is on the way soon, breaking them all down in detail, going over my favorite formulas and all that good stuff. So definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every Tuesday at 4 p.m. when a video is released. And I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss it. The videos are going to just get better and better and better. Thank you all so far for the love and support. We're growing and I can't be more happier.
Distance keeping us way too far apart. Every time I get too close, I fall apart. You have changed for the better. You don't wanna stay sleeping in my head. Why you made up your side of the bed? I never said it was forever. When you don't need me no more, so you keep on moving on. You'll be okay, and I'll remain. While I stay the same.
Alright guys, that's going to do it today. Another video is now in the history books. Totally give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Share with friends, family, whoever you think would be interested in my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Also, don't forget to tell me video ideas down below in the comment section you want to see. I love you guys so much. Thank you so very much for the love and support. We're finally growing and it means more to me than you guys will ever know. Until next time, next Tuesday at 4 p.m., so long for now.
1,000 miles away on a different star.